Let's talk about lists. In order to illustrate how lists work, I've looked up a bread recipe, which will help us understand both kinds of lists in HTML. Up here we have an unordered list, which is just a list of ingredients you'll need. And down here we have an ordered list, where order matters, and you must do things in the right order or sequence. Let's rebuild this over here by copying values over. So the first thing we'll build is an unordered list. Let's get started. Let's turn word wrapping back on. And actually, let's get rid of the old text that we had here. And let's go right ahead and, first of all, let's create a header. Let's call it ingredients. And right below that, we're going to create our unordered list. Now, to create an unordered list, the tag name is UL, which stands for unordered list. And it needs an open and close tag. And then let's create a list item for each of the ingredients. And we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just copy and paste down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll copy this over. Okay. Another thing to note is that inside of the unordered list and inside of an ordered list, each item inside of a list is made up of an li tag, open and close. Okay. Now let's build our ordered list of directions. Oops. OL is the tag for ordered lists, and let's do the same thing. So here we have 4 directions, so we're going to create 4 list items. And again, we'll copy them down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll copy this over. Again, that's Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, or Command C, Command V on Mac. Okay, let's save this and see how it looks. So note that an unordered list is made up of bullets, and order does not matter. And in the ordered list, it's made up of numbers, and in this case, the order does matter. Also note that it's in sequential order, and as you add more list items, the numbers will continue from where you left off. You do have the option to change this to other types of lists, like alpha, numeric, Roman numeral, etc. You can also, if you so choose, nest lists inside of each other. That about does it for lists.